trainings on IFRS, GAAP, all those. And for the PNA, we have Narsimha Reddy. And then Satya is also there, who actually currently is also conducting an R2R detailed batch. So we have Satya ji as well. So now, as I told you, these are the agenda which we covered. Basically, we talk about like, introduction, we talk about, we give multiple examples. Just one model which I have given it over here. But yeah, this is just one example which I'm trying to tell you. Like, we will be having like introduction, we will be having examples, we will be having SAPT course, trainees handout. You may be having multiple labs. Suppose if you are going for Microsoft Dynamics, or if you are going for SAP, you will be having a lab practices. There will be interview preparation as well for you, and Q&A session. So this is how we design the topics, and we conduct it. This is from my side, and now I would like Agnes to proceed on O2C, where she will be giving you a demo, or I can say she will tell you what are the contents, the topic that she covers. And then if you have any questions on AR, you can ask from Agnes, and then we will proceed with AP, and then we will be having from the Narsimha Reddy in FP&A what topics has been covered. Okay, so I will stop sharing the screen now, and then Agnes can take it over. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am so sorry I'm not able to be.
Yeah, Narsimha, would you like to continue on FP&A, because we have quite big slides, so maybe you can continue with FP&A. And Vinita, if they have any questions, maybe they can ask in the chat box, because I couldn't. I think I felt some difficulties listening to you. So Narsimha, you can take it over now, and if they have any questions, then you can answer. And if any links are there, if
Perfect.
that also we can provide there. Yeah, thank you.
Perfect. Thanks, Rupam. I think, hope my screen is visible, right? Rupam,
Yes.
just confirm me if my screen is visible.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
yes.
is.
Perfect. Okay, great. FP&A, as all of you might know about, which means financial planning and
Before that,
analysis.
yeah, sorry to interrupt you. Maybe you can give a brief introduction about yourself, because you have been working with the quite long time and different fields, like, so.
Yeah,
It's
great,
very
great.
interesting to know
I'm coming
yourself.
to
Yeah.
that. Yeah, I'm coming to that. Thanks, Rupam, for reminding. I have that in our next slide, actually. Yeah. So, yeah, why FP&A particularly? You might have seen already the other processes in a finance, right? Any business that we start with, the main purpose of the business is to make a profit. And for that, any management is more interested to know how much profit we are making, how our business is doing, all this matter, right? How business will come to know whether we are really doing good or not, only by looking into your all your financial statements. What are those financial statements? Like your profit and loss account, trial balance, and balance sheet. Without these reports, it's a very difficult for a management to understand where they are currently standing at. And also, it will be difficult for them to control the cost, where they are doing a bad job, where they are doing a good job. So for all that, who is going to do that? The FP&A guys are going to do all the job. And for them, certainly we need a data and information from the remaining teams like a P2P, O2C, R2R, and all these things. Without them, we can't do this reporting. Certainly, we are all going to work together in collaboration with all other teams to make entire business flow in a smooth manner. For that, let's look into that. My name is Narsimha Reddy, and I comes with close to 15 years of experience with the top MNCs like IBM, Infosys, GSK, which is a GlaxoSmithKline Pharma. And majorly, I comes from finance background, and I have overall experience into majority of all the FNA towers. And I am also US CMA certified, and also I'm a certified Scrum Master in a technology and what agiles that we are doing it. And I also led as a board member for IMA Bangalore chapter for 2 years. And I'm also managing my own FP&A newsletter, where I can happy to share this newsletter with you all later. And I'm also contributed a couple of articles through IMA newsletter, so which we can go through them as well later. And I'm standing at top 1% community on a top mate as a mentor into my specialization areas. So that's a quick intro about me. Maybe we'll get to know more as we meet for the next sessions. That's a quick about myself. And to know about why FP&A training and what the objective of this training is like, we are going to provide a comprehensive understanding about all the concepts in FP&A, like what exactly we do in FP&A. So including your forecasting, budgeting, planning, variance analysis, all this we are going to cover it up. So that's the reason we are providing a comprehensive training of this. This may not be a strict timeline like a 10 hours or a 20 hours. Depending on your level of interest and the participants, it can go little longer as well. But for that little longer time as well, we are not charging extra charges, but the charges will remain the same that we are committing at the initial level. And we will provide you the practical knowledge and also the practice files and also live scenarios for you to practice along with the training when it is happening. That's one of the good advantage where you can get a hands-on and also get a chance to clarify all your questions during the training. And it will also help you to upskill yourself, to make yourself confident and comfortable to lead these positions, either FP&A analyst or FP&A lead or FP&A manager for that matter, right? And it will also help you to optimize all the finance processes that we are doing it in our business. There will be a lot of process challenges, bottlenecks that you come across, but by looking into practical skills from experts like me, and which is an opportunity for you to enhance your decision making abilities in terms of when I say decision making abilities. Whenever you are preparing any report for your management, you should be in a position to take certain decisions depending on your level. Let's say if you are a P&M manager or a plant manager, by looking into your report, you should be able to take certain decisions, whether we need to continue the product line or we need to drop the product line. That decisions nobody is going to tell you, but as a manager or the responsible person, you have to take at times. But for that, certainly you need a certain data, and for that, a P&A team is going to prepare all these reports, and you should be able to understand the report that has been prepared by your P&A team. And that is possible only when you also know a certain things in FP&A. That is what we are going to help you to cover in this. And it will help you to advance in your career. When I say advancing in your career, so let's say you might be working today as an analyst or a manager, whatever the role, certainly everybody look for a promotion or the hike or whatever we need. It is not possible without upskilling ourselves day to day. So for that purpose, it will be very much helpful with the industry standards and the trends that is happening. So that's we are going to help you with the modern tools and techniques that we are going to use, including AI, how it is going to impact your roles, and how better you can utilize AI in your FP&A roles, right? So that will help you to overall contribute yourself to your business success. The high level, I have listed a few topics here. This is not the end of the list, just a high level topics that I have made it for you to understand. And I will also share a list of all the topics that I have prepared by end of this course. I mean, end of this session. So the major topics, like it will, if you wanted to look at, it will covers with basics and financial analysis of FP&A, and it will also cover financial modeling, budgeting, forecasting, the variance analysis, and strategic planning, capex and opex analysis, and also the technology, which means the tools and technologies that we are using, or which is really required for us to survive or to make our business better in FP&A industry. These are the high-level topics that we are going to cover. Anyway, that I'm going to share the list of topics, separate file where I made it a detailed one for your reference as well. So that's quick about myself, and I'm going to share this FP&A FNA Insights newsletter that I have made available publicly on a LinkedIn platform. So I can share this link as well for you all to access and see my previous articles, how various topics has been submitted, and we can also go through this content and understand whether this content is really going to be helpful for you in case you are going to enroll here. Yeah, that's all quick about me. In case you have any particular questions to know more about, do let me know. I'm going to share my contact details and other links as well in the chat session. So do let me know. I can answer your questions. Yeah. So if there are no questions, I think what we will do, we'll also share you the link where you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
know yourself for
Hmm.
a course that you are interested in, whether it's a P2P, O2C, or R2R, FP&A, whatever the course that you are interested in. Feel free to enroll using this link that I'm going to share right away in the chat session, so that we will reach out or we can get connect later for your respective course.
Yeah, maybe they can just no. Yeah, this form has been shared, right? Thank you so much, Narsima. It was really a very nice presentation, and this is what we actually expect, that when you come up with the topic, like just by speaking, nobody will understand until you present some data in front of the laptop, or I'm able to see it.
Is the content that we are going to cover as part of our FP&A training. And it starts with our basics and financial analysis, like I mentioned. Whatever the topics that you see may be a one-liner, but we are going very deeper into that for you to understand, depending on your level of interest, like I mentioned. Uh, and the way you are participating and the way you are asking more questions, and we will be able to go deeper depending on exactly what you need for you to perform in your respective roles. It's not about we are targeting only analyst or a team leader or a manager. It can be for everyone. So we are going to cover from the scratch until you become confident in these topics. So we'll start with the overview of your FP&A functions, including your what kind of roles and responsibilities you can expect in FP&A, and what is the importance of this FP&A in any organization across all the industries. And we are going to do a financial statement analysis like balance sheet or income statement or cash flows and other ratios as well for anybody to understand the business health, right? Then we will also cover financial planning and forecasting overviews, and you can see how we are going to cover this, the high level to tell you the financial modeling, budgeting, and forecasting. Again, they have been subdivided into three topics, 3 to 5 topics. And we are going to start everything with the basics and introduction and go intermediate and to the advanced levels, everything. That's how we are going to do this.
Great,
Is
thank
there
you.
a way that we can share this file directly here, Rupam, in the chart, or
Yeah, you can share it. Are you not able to
okay?
share it?
I'm not able
Just
to
try.
share. I don't see any attachment option. That's what I'm checking.
So this
Fine.
we have
Let's
the
see
name
that.
like,
Maybe we'll figure it out. Other way where
yeah,
we can communicate with participants through other email. Maybe what I would say, whoever is interested, please enroll using this link so that we will have your email IDs so that we can send you all the content for the respective course that you are looking for, be it AP,
yes,
R2R, or FP&A, whatever.
yes. So good. So we are on time. Thank you so much, all of you. If you know questions, then maybe we can close the session in 1 minute. So I don't see there are any questions, right? All right, yeah. Thank you so much, everyone.
I think Shekhar is typing something.
Thanks,
Is it?
Has
everyone.
something to say. Let's wait on.
Okay, okay.